NeXT community. How's everybody doing? Thought I'd show you my latest project. Matt just brought over some turbo color boards where we've got the new Austrian caps. And I'm going to set up, I had a customer inquire about availability of sound cards. And I just sold a couple of the NeXT sound boxes. And he was asking about Brian Archer's card. And so what I'm going to do, now with ADB, I've got some of these. If you've got an ADB turbo color or mono turbo, and you don't need sound, I've got a couple of these that let you bypass without having to use a sound card. Interestingly, it just works with ADB. And I can do, I think, $99.95. I've got two of those left. And then eventually we're going to get another, Brian's going to integrate some more of these sound cards for us. But in the interim, I sold out of 50 of them, but I still have two where we've got this socketed chip. Interestingly enough, I've got a kind of a DOA NeXT laser printer that I've been using for parts, and with any luck I'm going to take the plate off it, and on the plate there's a logic board that has the chip that we need. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I have to heat up that logic board because it is soldered in, and I saw a way to do it, believe it or not, in a toaster oven. So it heats up, melts the solder, and then I can take the chip away cleanly. Of course, I could use a soldering iron too, but I thought I'd want to try and see. I'll experiment with another card first, but if that's an easy way, or if we are lucky, it may be socketed. Some of them are soldered, others are socketed. And then I'll show you, we'll install it. You want to make sure that it lines up with the notch. And so, interestingly enough, the NeXT laser printer has a non-ADB emulator chip that we need. And it let Brian create a sound card. Pretty neat stuff. It's a labor of love. So, stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. I'll have a follow-up to this. I just thought I'd show you guys what I'm working on here this evening.